Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 car washing machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is household induction car washer. Specifications. Brand name LZHZXY. Model name A1. Include accessories, yes. Motor type, carbon brush motor. Item type, car washer. Pressure range, 6-10 MPa. Peak flow, 330 L/H. Rated power, 1900 watts. Item number 4 is 180 bar pressure cleaner. Specifications. Brand name LZHZXY. Model X800. Include accessories, yes. Motor type, carbon brush motor. Item type, car washer. Pressure, 180 bar. Peak power, 3200 watts. Flow, 6 to 8 liters per minute. As the item number 3 we've selected, Jungle Flash High Pressure Washer. Specifications. Brand name, Jungle Flash. Model name, Camo 0339. Include accessories, yes. Motor type, induction motor. Item type, car washer. Power, 1400 to 1600 watts. Weight, 6.5 kilograms. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Hose length, 3 m. Max voltage, 230 volts. Max flow, 5.5 liters per minute. Max pressure, 100 bar. Item number 2 is 1350W household car wash machine. Specifications. Brand name, Ashwan. Model name, HXSXCYJ005. Include accessories, yes. Motor type, induction motor. Item type, car washer. Voltage, 220 volts. Power, 1350 watts. Item width, 50 centimeters. Item length, 50 centimeters. Item height, 30 centimeters. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 220V 400 bar high pressure washing machine. Specifications. Brand name, Helen. Voltage, 220 volts. Rated power, 2400 watts. Working pressure, 400 bar. Peak pressure, 350 bar. Peak water output, 720 L/H. Motor material, pure copper. Item type, car washer.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.